So this is how I make coffee without coffee filter. First we're gonna have to put in the broken up coffee powder. Shit. Now, put some hot water inside. Luckily the hotel room comes with the water boiler. Stir it up a bit. And we wait. All right, so next step for the coffee. We're gonna take a face mask and I tore it. I didn't tear it very well because I was experimenting and I accidentally tore it in half. I would tear it differently, and I probably will make a video about that later, but then just to show you right now. So use this as a coffee filter basically. Now the filter actually, surprisingly, it blocks all liquids from going through, except, so you're gonna have to get to the inside part, this part. There's like 3 layers of a mask. And that's also how you can tell if you're getting a good mask or a fake mask. So let's go ahead and, oh, yeah. So there's a method to this madness. Let's try this way. Don't spill in too much. Yeah, see how it's going through? Should stop the coffee. So you're basically making your own drip. French press, no, Vietnamese or Indian drip. Some of the coffee's the powder's getting stuck right there. Use our little fork, loosen it up. Help it go through a little. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time. But when you're in a 14-day quarantine, that's one thing you do have, the luxury of time. All right, so that's pretty much it. See, it's kind of dark, but there's a lot of coffee powder inside. And it's also building up here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's good enough for me. Now we're gonna let that dry to use that later. And here we go, we got a nice cup of joe.